all-new innovation for the AV28, the power-folding hardtop easily raises and lowers at the touch of a button. Intentionally designed to fold in a clamshell motion, the top remains level and lowers for bridge clearance and access to board storage that can store surfboards up top. The hardtop and its board storage are accessible from the sun pad or walk-through when lowered. Controls for the hardtop can be found at both the helm and the transom for added convenience. The power-folding hardtop also features a tow point for hooking up your ropes for surfing, wakeboarding, and other towed water sports, along with providing ample shade for your on-water days. The power-folding hardtop comes standard on the forward-facing drive AV28S and is available on the sterndrive AV28 and the outboard AV28 OB.